How's it going? Welcome back to another video. You're here because you want to know how to make money online, and we're going to get right into it. So first, I always tell people you want to find a product or service. That's one of your streams of income you want to have, in the beginning. You want to have a product, a digital product or a tangible product. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get to that. So if you're on a budget, a program that I really like to use called LiveGood. It's a health and wellness company, but they compete retail. So what do I mean by they compete with retail? Meaning the prices for these products are even better than if you were going to the store, because that's always the problem, with these health and wellness companies. The products are good, but they're just so expensive, and people are like, I can just go get this, retail, so LiveGood has found a way to position you, to get to offer these products to people at a very affordable rate. So let's see it. Enough talking. Let me show you what I mean. So they have key products, that everyone are buying. Multivitamins, vitamin D, magnesium, plant-based, proteins, the greens, protein, organic reds, coffee, CBD oils, amino acids. So if we look at the complete plant-based protein, usually this is $40-$50 in the store. As a member with LiveGood, you're going to get it for $22, and even at a retail, you're going to get it for $34. So it's beaten. If we scroll down, these are the normal prices that you're going to get when you go retail. So these prices are blowing things out the water. Let's do one more. I know a lot of people like, stuff like super greens. All right, let's just do vitamin D, just to be different. Look at this price, $8.50 as a member and only $17 as a retail customer. So how are you going to become a member? So if you're here because you want to make money online, so I'm going to first start talking about those who want to make money, at home. So to become a member of LiveGood and offer these products and services to people, it's going to cost you the first month $49.95, and every month after that it's going to cost you $9.95 or $9.99. I think it's $9.99. Crazy, I know. Super affordable. So what's going to happen is you're going to become an affiliate. That's why it's going to cost you a little extra bit up front. One time $40. You're going to pay for your first month membership, which is the $9.99, and you're going to be in business. After that, you're going to pay $9.99. If you want to be just a customer and get these member prices, you only have to pay $9.99 a month, and you're going to have access to shop with LiveGood at the member price, just like these other whole bulk and membership price in grocery stores. Same concept. You're gonna pay for a membership, and you're gonna get access to discounted prices, which is gonna save you so much money. So LiveGood is one of the vehicles, or one of the programs I use to make a weekly income. They pay weekly, and they pay every single month. You're going to get paid for your signups. You're going to get paid on some work that I'm doing. It's going to reflect on you as well. And it's just so simple to offer this, just because it's so inexpensive. So this is one big way you're going to be able to earn some money at home, and everything is going to be connected in my description. So next, another way you can earn online is digital products, or in this case we have digital products and we have a website builder. As you see right now, this page is built with the website and funnel maker that Home Business Academy has. So the main website for the company is actually built with the funnel builder that comes with Home Business Academy. So if you want to make any money online, you're going to want to know two things. You're going to want to know how to do it, how to market, etc., etc. That's what you're going to get with HBA, even at the basic member pricing. They have different products. They have the HBA Funnel Academy, which is going to teach you, pretty much how to make web pages, funnels, memberships, stores, all that. And they have the HBA premium, which is going to show you how to, market more, advanced. So that's the second thing you're gonna need. You're gonna need to know how to get the money, and you're gonna need a system that you're gonna send people so it can do the selling for you. You don't have to talk to people all day, answer a million questions. You want a system like the one you're seeing now that's gonna do the selling for you. So the main thing to take out of this one is the Funnel Builder Academy. This is where you're going to learn how to build pages like you see and become a brand. You're going to be branded. You're not going to be putting your face on a product. You're going to be promoting yourself. So I ask all my members that come in any of my businesses to gather a few things, a funnel builder, if you can, a domain name like a www dot, and I'm going to make a video on that too, because I have a way. I'm pretty much going to have you getting paid all the way down. So when you bring in new members in any of our businesses, you're going to want your members to get domain names, funnel system, then they're going to get that product or service, which is going to be something like LiveGood, or maybe they just want to do Home Business Academy. And it's a few other things that when every member comes in, they're going to be ready to accomplish and take on everything when it comes to, making money at home. They're going to be a business owner, entrepreneur, not just somebody out here promoting a link trying to get some money. I'm going to turn you into a real live marketer where you're going to feel confident talking about your business. So these are the two main avenues that I use to make money at home. Right now it is 3 in the morning. While people are going to sleep, getting ready for work, I'm building my business. It's so much more relaxing to kind of be on your own, doing things when you want to do it. So that's the whole thing that the movement we're moving. And we're doing that with LiveGood. And like I said, HBA, Home Business Academy, is part of my, my marketing. It's what I use to create all my websites, etc. But it so happens to have some extra training in the back office for those that need it. Financial literacy as well, personal development, weekly lives, Zoom. So you can get on these weekly lives and Zooms and ask the questions. Ask, what am I doing wrong? Why is this not working? Can I get some help? This is where HBA Home Business Academy comes in. But not to make this video too long, all the information is going to be below. You're going to go to the first link in the description. It's going to take you to my membership site where I break down everything. I have all my links, etc., etc., so you know what to expect and, really how to make money from home. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment below any questions or just say anything in the comments that you took away from the video, and I hope you have a great day.